Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss how to install STM32CubeIDE. First we will search STM32CubeIDE in the Google. Then we will click the link and then come down. We'll get a uh, link to download and click the latest version of Win. It will ask for terms and conditions. Just accept it. And it will ask for login or create account. Just go for create account if you are a first time user. Just select the basic details. I'm giving my channel name. I'm giving my email ID. Just give confirmation email ID. Should be same as email ID. Oh, I forgot one for. Okay. And then what function you're going to work on the STM project? Just I'm creating education training and gives company or university name if you're a student. And select any one industry what you're going to work and select the country where you're currently staying and give the zip code or postal code. Just accept the terms and register. Close it. Then you log in with your credentials. Give the same email ID and password in the login area. Give the password and try to log in. It will fail since we have to activate the account in Gmail. So I will go to my Gmail account and I will get a activate account link. Just you activate my SG account. Give the password and the confirmation password. Submit the details. And it will ask for a login. And now you give the email address and the password as we entered before. Giving the password details. Remember on the device, login. Just log in and give download latest. And it will ask for terms and conditions. Just accept it. It will start download. Just extract the downloaded file. Open the folder and double click the file. Just agree. Next. Install. Now completed. Just give finish. Go to desktop. You can see the STM32CubeIDE icon and create a sample project and give launch. and it will open release note. Just go through it, what are the changes it has done now, and it will ask for some permissions to run in your computer. Here you can select exclude or keep based on your Microsoft Defender, whether it should be scanned every time or not. I'm just giving keep. Number my choice. And give OK. Now I try to load my existing ELF file in STM32 FF446C project. Just I'm loading my executable file, which is ELF format. This is sample project which I created before, and select the controller. I'm using STM32 F44 6RE nuclear board. You OK, you finish, and it will show the informations what I have selected. Just keep as a default. Give apply and give debug, and it will ask to update ST-Link firmware. Just give yes and give open in update mode and give upgrade. It will update the latest firmware of ST-Link. Upgrade is successful. Close the window. Now you can give debug. It will download the ELF file into your controller, and it will ask for some permissions. Just allow it. Yeah, here you can see download verified successfully, and it showed whatever the code in my ELF file. It opens automatically, and I can see now my LED is blinking here based on my switch input. Thank you for watching the video.